All right, there's always something. And we've been putting this off for a minute, so we're gonna go ahead and empty out this swim platform and clean it out, which has had water there for a minute. Beautiful day though. The not so glamorous part. Need to get rid of that. But this.
Oh yeah.
But at least it's empty now.
Hey, remember that one time we drove this boat across the lake?
Boy, do I. Do I.
As you can see here, the GoPro was keeping the horizon level on the shot, but the boat was rocking quite a bit. It was fun. All right, I can't be the only one not to jump today, so here we go. Oh boy. See, he made it. Made it. After we got back, we decided to do a little bit of work re-gluing one of our sea deck panels, which was still pretty glued in, but there were parts of it that just needed reattachment, and they have been there for years, so it was time.
What about the people sidewalk? Let's go over there.
What about that?
Hey, how was last night?
Loud, man.
It was loud. But yeah, last night was a little storm. Little storm. Roll footage.
After we had breakfast, we decided to try our luck fishing at the beach.
$1 for the first fish?
$5 for the first fish.
$5?
5.